The Bluavido 11.26 4G LTE car mirror dash cam stands out as a feature-packed solution for modern drivers. This innovative device, available on Aliexpress, combines the functionalities of a dash camera, GPS navigation system, and smart connectivity features, such as CarPlay and Android Auto. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the key features and capabilities of the Bluavido 4G LTE car mirror dash cam, exploring its performance, design, and usability. The Bluavido features an expansive 11.26 display that offers a clear and vivid viewing experience for both the driver and passengers. The mirror design seamlessly integrates into the existing rear-view mirror setup, providing a discreet yet functional enhancement to the vehicle. Powered by the Spreadtrum UIS 8581A8 core chipset with a configuration of 4A55 1.6 GHz plus 4A55 1.2 GHz, the Bluavido delivers reliable and efficient performance. This processing power ensures smooth operation, quick response times, and the ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. With 4G LTE capabilities, the dash cam offers seamless connectivity for real-time data transmission, ensuring that users can stay connected while on the road. The inclusion of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth further enhances the device's connectivity options. CarPlay and Android Auto integration provides a smart and user-friendly interface for seamless smartphone connectivity, allowing users to access navigation, music, and other apps directly from the dash cam display. G-sensor technology enables automatic collision detection, triggering the camera to lock and save the footage in the event of an accident. Cycle recording ensures continuous recording by overwriting older footage when the storage is full, preventing the need to manually manage storage space. 24 hours parking monitor utilizes motion detection to record any incidents or events that may occur while the vehicle is parked, enhancing security. Time and data display, along with wide dynamic range (WDR), contribute to a comprehensive and accurate recording of events on the road. The Bluavido 11.26 4G LTE car mirror dash cam emerges as a versatile and advanced solution for drivers seeking a comprehensive in-car multimedia and safety system. With its dual cameras, powerful processor, CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a range of advanced features, the Bluavido stands as a reliable and user-friendly choice for those looking to enhance their driving experience and ensure road safety.